What if you could publish books, create digital assets, and build real passive income streams without writing a single word from scratch? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what thousands of creators, freelancers, and marketers are beginning to do with Royalty Profits AI, the first AI-powered publishing assistant that does the hard work for you. If you've ever tried to publish, you know the pain. Hours of writing, endless formatting, expensive freelancers, and a final product that rarely gets noticed. Traditional publishing takes too long, costs too much, and burns you out before you ever make a profit. Royalty Profits AI changes all of that by automating every tedious step: content generation, book layout, cover design, and file preparation for Amazon, KDP, all inside one simple dashboard. Just enter your niche or topic, and the system builds a complete, ready-to-publish book in minutes. No writing, no design skills, no technical stress. Suddenly, you can turn your ideas into professional books faster than you ever thought possible. With Royalty Profits AI, your publishing time drops from days to minutes, your productivity doubles, and instead of getting stuck in creation mode, you finally start building a catalog of income-producing assets. Whether you're a coach, content creator, agency owner, or first-time publisher, this platform helps you publish in any niche journals, planners, ebooks, or guides, while keeping 100% ownership of your royalties. Royalty Profits AI was created by Dimitris Papadopoulos and Alex Krulik, experienced innovators who've spent years helping everyday entrepreneurs simplify digital workflows with automation. Their expertise in AI systems and publishing strategy makes this tool practical, stable, and built for results. When you join today, you'll get full access to the Royalty Profits AI software suite, the built-in book content generator, automatic cover designer, KDP-ready formatting engine, commercial license for client publishing, and complete step-by-step training, plus exclusive launch bonuses from Ridhtek reviews that help you research niches and scale faster. Normally, a system this powerful could cost hundreds of dollars per year, but right now, you can get lifetime access for less than the price of dinner for two, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it, test it, and even publish your first few books with zero risk. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start creating consistent online income, this is it. You don't need another dream. You need a system that turns your ideas into assets. The difference between people who wish for freedom and people who live it is simple. They start. So start today. Click the link below to get instant access to Royalty Profits AI. Create, publish, and profit faster, easier, and smarter. Your story deserves to be published, and now it finally can be with Royalty Profits AI doing the heavy lifting. Click now and begin your publishing journey today. And before you go, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who's ready to build income with AI, drop a comment below to tell us what you'll create first, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, digital tools, and AI-driven business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.